Welcome to Chef Mariam's website recipe. Here, you'll find everything you need to know about the culinary world of Chef Mariam. As a passionate chef, Mariam has dedicated her life to creating amazing dishes that will tantalize your taste buds. Her unique approach to cooking has earned her a reputation as one of the best chefs in the industry, and her website is a testament to her commitment to her craft. Chef Mariam is best known for her signature dish, Keema Mattar, which is a mouth-watering combination of minced meat and green peas cooked in a spicy tomato-based sauce. This dish is a true reflection of Mariam's culinary expertise and her love for bold, flavorful dishes. The juicy, tender minced meat pairs perfectly with the sweetness of the green peas, creating a harmonious balance of flavors that will leave you wanting more. On her website, you'll find a comprehensive collection of recipes, cooking tips, and food-related articles that will help you elevate your cooking game. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner cook, Chef Mariam's website is a wealth of knowledge that you can use to enhance your culinary skills. You'll find recipes for dishes from all around the world, from classic French cuisine to spicy Mexican dishes. Chef Mariam's website also features a section dedicated to cooking tips and tricks, where you'll find everything you need to know about cooking, from selecting the right ingredients to preparing and cooking your dishes. You'll also find helpful articles on food and cooking, covering everything from food trends and cooking techniques to food history and culture. In addition to her website, Chef Mariam is also available for private cooking classes, where she'll teach you the secrets to her culinary success. Whether you're looking to learn how to make a particular dish or just want to improve your cooking skills in general, Chef Mariam's classes are the perfect opportunity for you to learn from one of the best chefs in the business. So, if you're looking for inspiration in the kitchen, or just want to explore the world of cooking, Chef Mariam's website is the place to be. From her signature dish, Keema Mattar, to her comprehensive collection of recipes, cooking tips, and food-related articles, you'll find everything you need to take your cooking to the next level. So, what are you waiting for? Welcome to Chef Mariam's website and start cooking like a pro today. Introduction. 1. Keema Mattar is a classic Indian dish made with minced meat and green peas in a spicy tomato-based sauce. 2. It is a popular and flavorful dish that is enjoyed by people all over the world, thanks to its delicious and aromatic spices. 3. Keema Mattar is a versatile dish that can be served with rice, bread, or roti, making it a staple in many households. 4. It is a great way to add protein to your diet and is perfect for those who are looking for a quick and easy meal that is both filling and delicious. 5. Keema Mattar is a traditional dish that has been passed down through generations, and it continues to be a popular and beloved dish in Indian cuisine today. 5. Whether you're an experienced cook or a beginner, this dish is sure to impress and is a must-try for anyone who loves bold and flavorful food. Keema Mattar is a popular Indian dish made with minced meat and green peas, simmered in a rich tomato-based sauce. Chef Mariam's recipe is an easy, flavorful, and comforting dish that is perfect for a weeknight dinner or a special gathering. Ingredients. 1 pound of minced meat, lamb or beef. 1 cup of green peas. 2 large onions, chopped. 4 cloves of garlic, minced. 1-inch piece of ginger, grated. 2 medium-sized tomatoes, pureed. 1 teaspoon cumin powder. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1/2 teaspoon red chili powder. 1 teaspoon garam masala. Salt to taste. 2 tablespoons of oil. Fresh cilantro for garnish. Instructions. 1. In a large pan or wok, heat the oil over medium heat. 2. Add the chopped onions and cook until they are soft and translucent. 3. Add the minced garlic and grated ginger and cook for another minute. 4. Add the minced meat and cook until browned, breaking it up into small pieces as it cooks. 5. Add the pureed tomatoes and stir to combine. 6. Add the cumin powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, red chili powder, garam masala, and salt to taste. 6. Stir well to incorporate the spices into the mixture. 7. Add the green peas and stir to combine. 8. Reduce heat to low and let the mixture simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until the peas are cooked through and the sauce has thickened. 9. Serve hot, garnished with fresh cilantro leaves. Chef Mariam's Keema Mattar recipe is a delicious and easy-to-make dish that is sure to become a staple in your kitchen. The combination of minced meat and green peas in a rich tomato-based sauce is both comforting and filling, making it a perfect dish for a weeknight dinner or a special gathering. In the food and kitchen industry, Chef Mariam is well known for her expertise in Indian cuisine, and her recipes are always a hit with both family and guests. Her recipes are simple, flavorful, and full of authentic Indian spices that bring out the best in each dish. Her approach to cooking is focused on using fresh ingredients and simple techniques to create delicious and healthy meals. If you're looking to try something new in the kitchen, Chef Mariam's Keema Mattar recipe is a great place to start. Whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting out, this recipe is easy to follow and the end result is sure to be a hit with everyone at the table. So why not give it a try today and add a new flavor to your collection of recipes? Chef Mariam is a well-known chef in the food and kitchen industry, known for her expertise in Indian cuisine. She brings a unique and authentic flavor to her dishes, incorporating traditional Indian spices and cooking techniques in her recipes. One of her specialties is Keema Mattar, a classic Indian dish made with minced meat and green peas simmered in a rich tomato-based sauce. Chef Mariam's version of this dish is said to be particularly flavorful, with just the right balance of spices and a rich, comforting sauce. In her cooking, Chef Mariam places a strong emphasis on using fresh ingredients and simple techniques to create delicious and healthy meals. She believes that good food should be both nutritious and satisfying, and her Keema Mattar recipe is no exception. If you're a fan of Indian cuisine, or just looking to try something new in the kitchen, Chef Mariam's Keema Mattar recipe is definitely worth checking out. With her expertise and passion for cooking, you can be sure that this dish will be both delicious and satisfying. So why not give it a try and discover for yourself what makes Chef Mariam's Keema Mattar so special?